What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another video, guys. Another TEMU video, another episode of what I ordered versus what I got. This video is no different than the others. It is a theme to it, and tonight's theme, if you haven't figured out from my trusty assistant, the Manhattan, is none other than Sex in the City. Yes, y'all, one of my favorite shows. Anyway, if this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through. Hope that you stay, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know. And I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, y'all know how we do over here, baby. We give hugs, because sometimes you just need one. Like, I needed that hug from y'all. But anyway, I'm not going to hold you. We all know why we're here. But let me give a little backstory for those who have never even heard of Sex in the City. Sex and the City is another show, a drama show that is based on four friends. Carrie Bradshaw, Samantha, Miranda, and Charlotte. They all come from different walks of life, but they all gel together just like girlfriends, just like a little gumbo, but from a different aspect. And this show was based out of New York, and kind of being single and sexy in New York. So if you have not had an opportunity to watch it, I would say do so. It's something that it's definitely binge worthy. It started in 1998, and they actually stopped filming in 2004, which 20 years ago. And I think they had two movies that came out. I think one was in 2008 and one was in 2010 or something like that. But they did have two movies. They also have a reboot that came out in 2021 called And Just Like That. So if you are a Sex and the City fan, I'm pretty sure you already watched that. But if you didn't, there was your little backstory on who the characters is, and so make it easier to follow our haul for tonight. So now that we got that out the way, let's jump into this haul. All right, guys, so today we're going to start off with none other than Miss Charlotte. Charlotte is the hopeless romantic. She's definitely one that she plays it safe. She has kids now. She has a loving husband, Harry. And so when she meets the girl, she kind of keeps it mom, to say the least. So when I seen this outfit, I immediately thought of Charlotte. So this is what I ordered. And this is what I got. These are the pants. They're super tall girl friendly. It's a little wrinkled because it's straight out the bag, y'all. Y'all know how we do. As soon as I get it, I like to bring it to you hot off the press, honey. So these are the slacks, and it comes, and so it's pretty roomy for me in the sleeves. I do like the little cupcake detail on the sleeve, and yeah, I'm gonna put up how I styled it. And yeah, y'all, I like Charlotte. I wouldn't suggest wearing her in the summer. She's definitely a fall outfit, and just like the pieces from Girlfriends, it can definitely be styled separately. I have some shoes this color that I could really see me wearing this with some gray like jeans, some gray like stretchy high-waisted jeans. I can really see me wearing it with those little pink shoes and a little gold purse. Ooh, I just see it. I want to style that for y'all. First, I got to get the jeans though. And then these pants, you could just pretty much wear them with anything. Y'all know I already have some. If you've been watching me, I already got some pants this color, but yeah. I love this outfit. And this, my dear, is Charlotte. Now let's get into this next look. Moment of silence for my little friend. Okay, guys, this next look is our girl Miranda. Now, Miranda is a professional. Our next look is none other than Miranda. Miranda is a professional. She is a lawyer, and did she say being a lawyer? I don't know. But anyway, she is a lawyer. She has a son. She did get married to, I forgot, is it Steven? Steve? Yeah, she got married to Steve. They had a beautiful son. And then she found herself not being happy no more, not being fulfilled. But you would have to watch. I don't want to give too much away just for those who haven't watched it, but watch the whole story. I mean, from the seasons, all 6 episodes up until the movie, and then and just like that. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. But when I think of Miranda, I think of the courtroom, New York vibe, just kind of chill, but still kind of spicy in a way, you know, because if y'all watched it, y'all remember she had on her little jeans that she know how to egg in and stuff that she can get back into. So when I seen this outfit, I immediately thought Miranda, and this is what I ordered, y'all. And this is what I got, baby. Y'all see this black pinstripe? Oh, it also comes in white too, but I love the black. These black trouser pants, and let me show you the top. Now for this, what I like is that it fits really good. I like it. The sleeves are long enough. It's roomy. What I do like about this 2-piece is that you can wear it open. If you don't want to wear, if you got like a little boob thing going on like your girl, and it's a little tight across the boob, you can wear it open. I would wear it open with like a little bandeau up under it. But yeah, you could do like a little pop of color. Now, I don't know if I would separate this. I could definitely see me wearing it. Yeah, I could see me separating this. I know, follow the bouncing ball. I probably would wear this with like some yellow pants or like a coral blue. And this, I'm seeing like a green with this. I know y'all, that's just how my mind go, but that's it would make sense if you seen it. But yes, y'all, I love Miranda. Miranda's another outfit that's more fall-like. Unless you work inside of an office building that's pretty cool, then baby, this is your thing. She fits tall girl, she fits tall girl friendly. Let me put how she looks here on the side so y'all can just get into this look. I'm not gonna lie, Charlotte and Miranda is definitely worth the purchase. It's definitely a must-have inside of your closet. I can't wait to fall. Not just because it won't be hot as it been, but okay, because it won't be as hot as it been. I can't wait for fall because I feel like I am trapped up in this house and can't really get out and show y'all these outfits because it's hot. So baby, fall, get ready. If you don't have that notification bell on, turn it on now. And let's get into this next look. All right, guys, this next look is none other than Samantha. Now, everybody knows Samantha is like a little Kruger. Samantha is a little feisty, a little, she's into public relations. And what I love about Samantha is who she is unapologetically, which is how I am. I love that for her. I love that Samantha, she takes risks. She's the oldest of the group. So she was in her 50s as the seasons were ending. I love that Samantha she's just her. And I love that. I love a person to be who they are and not who they think I want them to be. And that's why Samantha is pretty much one of my favorites. But when I seen this outfit, I said, oh, first of all, it's their colors. It's like a pink and black. It just gave so much of what I feel Samantha would wear in 2024. So with that being said, this is what I ordered, y'all. And this is what I got. Y'all, first of all, I didn't realize that it was this pink. But even though the description says it, I didn't realize that it was this pink, but I love it. Another trouser pants. Oh God, I can't wait to get this to y'all. Another little trouser pants. I love it. I love it. Yes, it's soft. It doesn't make you sweat, but I wouldn't, again, it's nothing that I would wear in the summertime unless I'm gonna be indoor in AC the whole time. And let me just say this. Disclaimer. I'm over 50. And I'm hot natured, so I get hot fast. So for someone else, it may work for them all day, but for me, your girl can't wear it in the summertime. She just can't. Even if I had AC in the car, it's just no. Less is best for me. So anyway, here's the top. It's a cute little kind of front top, and you can tie it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. And if you are not comfortable with a crop tie up like this, go ahead and put you like a little bandeau top or if I wasn't covered, I'm daring. I'm gonna put a cute little cami up under it too, that's lacy, where you can kind of see that from the, oh girl, yeah, I'm fast. But I would do that and tie this over it in between if I didn't want to show skin, but that's just me. Or you could do a cute little bodysuit, a little sheer bodysuit or something to wear up under it. But that's just me. I'm just giving you an out, just in case you like, Kay, I want that outfit, but I want to give you some alternatives. So this is the top. This is the bottom. I would definitely, oh God, I'm so in love with the stripes in this. Oh, I could see me wearing this with something else. I know, but this is how they look together. This is Samantha. It is a whole vibe for me. I can't say right now, it is definitely a 3 out of 4, and I'm seeing myself keeping all of it. So, this is Samantha, guys. And let me show you how it looks on the side, how I styled it. And while y'all check that out, let's get into this next look. Okay, guys, y'all know. What can I say? If I had to, can I relate to everybody in the show? Absolutely. Charlotte, I would definitely say Carrie and Samantha tied, Miranda second, and then Charlotte last. And the only reason why I say Charlotte is last is because Charlotte is more, kind of give a little airheadish sometimes, a little, but her heart is good, which is I love. So that's the only reason why I would put her last, because the little, the little airheadishness, if that's a word. Carrie, the way she dressed, her carefree, she'll just throw on anything and wear it, and it commands the room. Baby, that is me. I'm gonna throw on what I like, and I don't care if you don't like it, as long as I feel comfortable in it. So when I seen this outfit, I'm like, when it came out the package, I said that one is Carrie. That one is Carrie, and because I just see her doing so much with it, with some Manolo Blahniks and killing the stage. So this is what I ordered, and y'all, this is what I got. This cute little bandeau top. First of all, it probably would help. Oh, that is, girl, that is the front. So this is the back. It's pretty high up in the back, I like to think. This is the front. You could tie it up how you want. You can wear it like a bow, or you can let it hang low. I personally would let it hang low. A little light bow and let it hang low. And y'all, here's the bottoms. They're very I Dream of Jeannie ish. Now, can I be honest? They're not talking off pretty. They're not. When you look at it online, it does give that it's tall girl friendly. It's not. I'm literally thinking of this more gacho-y. I can see that with this. I can see that with this and that. I want to keep it just because of that. I love the colors. I love how it fits. I love how it feels good on my skin. I can definitely wear this now in the summertime. Like I said, your ankle's gonna show though. If you I'm 5'8", right under the 200, right here, and your ankle's gonna show, flats or not. Your ankles is gonna show. So if you're okay with it, if you're okay with the I Dream of Jean look, then baby, that's you. Go ahead. Go off, sis. But me, I'd rather if my ankle's gonna show, go ahead and let my calves show too. Go on, give me a 19, because it give you that 1970s print anyway. So let me go ahead and gacho you. Cut me off and sew me up for 200, Alex, in my Jeopardy voice. Anyway, y'all, if you have stuck around to this end of this part of the video, you are the real MVP. I appreciate you. I love you. Make sure that you put the hug emoji to let me know that you made it this far. And I will see you in the what?